What you listening to, son?
I don't think you like it.
Well, why not? I like this new generation of music.
Hey, this shit. Is this recording? I guess it's just another instance where I'm losing my perception. Wired off of a bar that said I need direction. Perky with the venom, I need a resurrection. You know it's all the same, I see the exception. Drug and abuse, I always gotta get my fix. She said she liked the way it feel and she wanna hit. She said that up and down is a God-given mix. And I ain't never went back, so she said that shit. And I've been fighting back the urge, but it never goes away. Baby on the cutters, get attached to these chains. It be getting surged under my city rage. I'm still chasing the feeling, trying to find a brighter day. And the memories don't fade, they hard to fight away. All the holes in my soul, more pieces missing every day. I'm too close to get away, man, all I do is fade. My soul's in the pits, they say I've been in dismay. Maybe it's because I'm easy to forget. Maybe it's because the visions in.
God, it's all it sounds. Where did you record this?
I bought it at the mall. It's the Funny Phone Jerks.
Let me tell you, Bobby, there's nothing funny about these sounds. What that person on your tape has is a medical disorder. Now you get ready for the game, okay?
Yes, sir.
That boy ain't right.